Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the green screen image. Right, so before I'm going to select image as background, just put on the timeline, right drag, and I'm going to add the green screen image as an overlay, just put on top. So which is this green screen overlay. So I'm going to resize and I'm going to remove the green screen. So go to cutout and select chroma key and then select color picker, select green color and adjust for the option right here, strength and then shadow. Alright, you can resize for the background like so. Yeah, that's it. Super simple, that's how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.